Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So for today's video, I've created for you guys this green smoky eye look. I love green. My birthstone is an emerald. So when March comes around, I'm like, yes, hunty, green alert season is here. So if you're interested in finding out how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
So taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Medium 22, use your ring finger to apply the concealer as a base to prime the eyelids. You want to make sure to cover your whole entire eye, and then you want to go ahead with the beauty sponge and blend it all out. Taking the e.l.f. HD Setting Powder in Translucent, set the concealer and apply some at the bottom of your eye to help catch any fallout that we might have in the future. Taking MAC's Bright Future eyeshadow and a blending brush, this one's from C Color Cosmetics, apply this shadow above to your crease. This color is going to serve as our transitional color. It's going to help us blend all the colors together to get a smooth gradient effect. Using windshield wiper motions and circular motions, start blending the yellow shadow up to your brows, picking up more color if you need it. Digging into the Morphe 39A palette, I'm going to pick up the color Fickle with a small crease brush. Start stamping in the color into your crease. Don't worry about blending it out right now. Just pack on the color first and then we'll worry about blending it out later. Next, take a clean blending brush and a light hand. Start blending out the edges of the shadows that we just placed with the transition color that we had on first. Going back in with Fickle, I'm reapplying the color into the crease since I lost some of the intensity during the blending process. Then taking a clean blending brush, blend out the edges as you go. Adding in some more of MAC's Bright Future to help us blend out the edges to get that nice little gradient effect. Taking a large packing brush, this one's from Morphe, I'm going to pick up the color Pine and start stamping in the color into my eyelids and slowly bringing up the color to my crease. Stamping in the color is going to help us get the MAC's color payoff and help reduce the fallout that we're going to get onto our face. So you want to go ahead and stamp the color and then pick up some more as you need it, stamping it in as you go. Don't worry, we're going to blend everything out later. Next, going in with Fickle and using circular motions, we want to start blending out those two colors together, picking up more product when we need it so everything can be nice and seamless. Picking up So Glam with a small detailed brush and using the Milani setting spray, I'm going to spray the shadow to intensify it, although the shadow doesn't need it, and apply it to my inner quarters to help brighten up my eyes. I like being extra, so yes, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my shadows. But these shadows, guys, is so pigmented that you don't really need to spray it. Going in with a fluffy brush that I picked up from Amazon, we want to go ahead and start wiping off the excess powder that we have on our face that was catching our fallout. Going in with a smudge brush, we're going to pick up some Fickle and some Pine and mix those two together and start stamping in the color into our lower lash line. We're not going to rub in the color so that we don't get the fallout. Taking a clean blending brush and picking up some of MAC's Bright Future, we want to go ahead and start blending out the lower lash line. So whatever we did on top, we're going to go ahead and do it at the bottom. So taking your favorite eyelash curler, we're going to start preparing our lashes for our fake lashes. You want to give a couple of pumps to your lashes and then we want to go in and apply some mascara. This one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and coat your lashes. You don't want to coat your lashes after you apply your falsies, because that's going to end up messing up your falsies. So just make sure to do it beforehand and then apply your lashes.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and I popped on some lashes that I got from Amazon to complete this little green smoky eye moment. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells. I would love to have you a part of the CC family. So as always, I will see you in the next one.